When it comes to comparing two of the NBA's brightest young stars, Paul George and Jayson Tatum, there are a lot of factors to consider. Both players have shown immense talent and potential, but each brings a unique skill set to the table. In this article, we will delve into the key differences and similarities between the two players, examining their statistics, playing styles, and impact on their respective teams. First up, let's take a look at the statistics. Paul George, currently playing for the Los Angeles Clippers, has been a consistent performer throughout his career. He is known for his scoring ability, averaging around 20 to 25 points per game. He is also a solid defender, known for his steals and blocks. On the other hand, Jayson Tatum, playing for the Boston Celtics, is a younger player who has been making a name for himself in recent years. He is also a prolific scorer, averaging around 23 to 27 points per game, and has shown improvement in his defensive game as well. In terms of playing style, Paul George is a more versatile player. He can play multiple positions, from shooting guard to power forward, and is known for his ability to score from anywhere on the court. He is also a great shooter, with a solid three-point percentage. Jayson Tatum, on the other hand, is a more traditional forward. He excels in scoring in the mid-range and has a knack for getting to the basket. He is also a solid three-point shooter, but not as consistent as George. When it comes to impact on their teams, both players are vital to their success. Paul George is a proven veteran who can lead a team to victory, as seen in his time with the Indiana Pacers. He brings experience and leadership to the Clippers, and his presence on the court can shift the momentum of games. Jayson Tatum, on the other hand, is a rising star who is still developing his game. He has shown that he can perform in clutch moments and is a key player for the Celtics, especially in the absence of other stars like Kyrie Irving. Overall, both Paul George and Jayson Tatum are exceptional players in their own right. They both have the potential to be future Hall of Famers and have already left a mark on the NBA. While they have different playing styles and strengths, they both bring a level of excitement and competitiveness to the game that fans love to watch. It will be interesting to see how their careers develop and if they will continue to be compared to each other in the future. In conclusion, the comparison between Paul George and Jayson Tatum is a fascinating one. Both players have shown immense talent and potential, and it is clear that they will be two of the top players in the NBA for years to come. While they have different strengths and playing styles, they both bring a level of excitement and competitiveness to the game that fans love. It will be interesting to see how their careers unfold and if they will continue to be compared to each other in the future. One thing is for sure, both Paul George and Jayson Tatum are stars in their own right and will continue to shine bright in the NBA.